Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the video. Today we are actually driving across Las Vegas and I'm gonna go meet up with my friends. He's got a half pipe in his backyard and do some skating. But on the way, I'm gonna talk to you guys about how often you get free food while you're doing DoorDash, because I don't know if this is a perk, but I saw the other day a lot of people commented saying, oh, one of the biggest perks is like you get free food, and I didn't mention it. Yeah, you do get free food every once in a while. I would almost say, I would probably say 1 out of every 100 orders. They don't pick up, they give you the wrong address, or just one of the reasons that you just get free food, you know? Sometimes people put in the wrong address and their address is so far away, it's like, okay, come on now, I'm not gonna do that, you know? So I'm gonna go over some of the reasons why I have gotten free food before, and then I'll talk to you guys like about what I've gotten before. So when I first did Postmates, I would get free food all the time because the communications and like, dude, there was just so many times where I would end up with free food. It was insane. And I've never stolen someone's food and just not delivered it or something. You know, it's always been a legit reason. Like one time, for example, someone gave me an address and it said like 123 Buffalo Street. And I get there and I'm delivering to a parking lot that's empty. And I'm like, what the hell? So I call him and he's like, oh, I forgot to put in South Buffalo Street. So I look and it's like literally 25 minutes away. I'm like, oh bro, this order was for $6. I am not driving an extra 25 minutes. You know, like you would have to pay me more. And DoorDash, I talked to the DoorDash customer service and like, okay, just keep the order or dispose of it. So I ended up getting the free food. Another time, this is actually the best, only really good time that I've gotten free food. And it was because, so it was on Super Bowl last year. I was delivering to a Super Bowl party or something. Hold on one second. Delivering to a Super Bowl party last year, and when I got there, they didn't give me a gate code, and I'm sure they were drunk or something, you know? So I sit there at the gate for about 5 minutes, and it's like a house that's pretty far away from Vegas, but it was a really good paying order. I want to say it was paying me like $18 or so, and I was like, I definitely want to get this like ordered or delivered, you know, because for one, it was a huge catering order. Like there was bags full of chicken wings, and there was like, this order was probably like $200, and I was like, I definitely want to drop off this food because they're probably going to tip me really well, you know? Usually on really expensive orders like that, you do get tipped really well, and I wasn't like hungry or anything, so I didn't really want the food. So I sat there for like a solid 5 minutes, and then another like solid 3 to 5 minutes after, just waiting. Hopefully maybe another car would come up and like open the gate code or something. Then I ended up, after waiting for so long, I was like, no one's coming out here, we're too far away from the city. And called DoorDash, they called the customer, they never ended up answering the phone or anything. And I was like, oh, who's having a Super Bowl party today? I got free food, I'm bringing it over. So I ended up going to my friend's house who had a Super Bowl party, and I brought this entire catering order. Everyone was like, oh my god, Tanny, you're the nicest guy ever. And I'm like, yeah, it was free. Anyways, that was one of the probably better times. Otherwise, I'm like pretty particular on the foods that I eat. I don't eat unhealthy really ever. Yeah, mostly always eat healthy, to be honest. And I've gotten a lot of free food, and I would say I've probably gotten free food on just DoorDash, not including Postmates, because Postmates, not gonna lie, sometimes they would, like when I would have to deliver to the strip, I would get there and they would be like, at the gambling tables, come find me. And I'm like, fuck off, I am not doing that. So I'd get there, they would answer the phone, and I'm like, I'm out of here, I'm not doing this. So I actually got free food a bunch of times when I needed to deliver to the strip. Like, dude, you're not gonna go and find someone when they're gambling, you know? Like, oh, come find me, I'm at poker table 11. Like, I don't understand what that means. anyways, also I've gotten Chipotle a couple times. Lots of pizzas for some odd reason. A lot of people, I would say the main reason is people don't put apartment numbers down, and then sometimes people have phones where they don't like put their phone number in DoorDash or something, so you can't actually call them. I don't know if it's like, I don't know what the problem is, but that's happened to me quite a bit of times. And yeah, I don't know. I've gotten free food a couple times. It was pretty good. One time was Indian food, but it's mostly, I would say, 1 out of every 100 orders, generally one of these things happens and you end up getting free food. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below what the best free food that you guys have gotten was. And you know what the best part is? You still get paid. So you get paid and you get free food. But I'm just telling you guys, you should not do that, because if they don't get the food, then you have to go through this whole process, and DoorDash will email you and tell you like, oh, like, where did you put the order and like what happened to it. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what was the best free food you guys have gotten, or also you can comment in the comments down below. Let me know why, or if you've ever had any bad experiences with getting food. Like one time someone wanted me to take their food back because they didn't make it right, and they're like, I'm not paying for this, take it back to the restaurant. And I was like, I don't think it works that way. And they were like throwing a fit, and they were also super drunk, and they were like, just take the food back, I'm gonna tell DoorDash you didn't deliver it. And I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna tell them that I did deliver it, but you were drunk. So ended up getting free food right there. I mean, DoorDashing and delivering in Vegas, you come into a lot of random characters. Like, people are hammered all the time. Parties, and like, especially if you're delivering to the Strip, I can only imagine. Like, we're actually driving by the Strip right now. Check this out. Oops. Anyways, alright, well, that's all I really got for you guys today. I just kind of wanted to try to make a video every single day. If you guys have not noticed, I've been uploading very consistently, and my goal of this year is to upload a YouTube video every single day, because I'm trying to get this YouTube channel to be enough passive income where I can like fully live off of it comfortably, and just be a YouTuber full time. That's always been my goal, and DoorDash has really given me like the opportunity to actually make a decent living, especially on YouTube. So thank you guys so much. And if you guys are interested in starting a YouTube channel and you're DoorDashing or something, it's a pretty lucrative way to make money. Just saying, I not only am driving around making money driving as a DoorDash driver, but I'm making money talking to people as a DoorDash driver, giving out like free information. And all I've ever wanted to do is like put out as much free information as possible to help out everyone. So anyways, give this video a like if you guys have ever gotten free food before, and subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.